These are the center console photos of compatible vehicle models. These are the center console photos of incompatible vehicle models. If you are not sure whether your vehicle is compatible, please send us a photo of your car's center console and we will help you confirm it. This is a 20-pin multi-function wiring harness. This is the fan power cable. It needs to be connected to the corresponding connector on the 20-pin harness. These two are USB connection cables. Connect this USB port to the corresponding connector of the original vehicle. This 10-pin connector is for the reverse camera, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth antenna. Please plug it in. This is the power cable. Connect this to the CAN bus box. Connect this power cable to the car radio. This is the power cable for the CAN bus box. Connect it properly. This is the radio antenna. Now we are connecting the GPS signal antenna. This is the microphone. Please note that this microphone must be connected. Otherwise, you will not be able to use the microphone function. This is the reverse camera included with our product. Connect the red connector and black connector of the camera. This is the 5-meter video transmission and signal control cable. Connect the yellow connector of the camera to this yellow connector. Twist the two red wires together, then connect them to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Note: must be connected to the positive terminal of the reverse light. Do not connect it to the brake light by mistake. Connect this black wire to the negative terminal of the reverse light. Connect the yellow connector at the other end of this 5-meter video cable to the 10-pin reverse camera connector. This connector is the power, account and speaker wiring harness. Connect it to the original vehicle. If the original vehicle has a reverse camera function, plug in this wiring harness. If the original vehicle does not have a reverse camera function, plug in this wiring harness. If using the original vehicle's reverse camera, connect this yellow RCA to the RCA on the 10-pin connector. Remove the clips from the original vehicle. These are the removed clips. Remove the buttons from the original vehicle and install them onto the new device. Install these two parts. Install all the clips removed from the original vehicle onto the new device. Remove these buttons from the original vehicle and install them onto the new device.